Hello everyone, Jaime Montilla here, and in this video we're going to continue building apps, cleaning them up, refactoring, kind of going A through C, how things are done. That way you can actually learn this skill and start either building for other people. There's potential for you to build your own SaaS or create your own applications, whether you have a business or you have daily tasks that you need to complete, and you can actually try to build your own utility tool application to be able to speed up the process and be more efficient on the day-to-day. Okay, so for this app, which is the map scraper, I have started this application in the past. I just want to clean it up a little bit, but this one I was using Replit, or I used Replit to build it. It took me a lot of back and forth. This is pretty much the script and the prompt that I utilize. So I use this prompt to create a UI based on this script. So as an expert Python programmer specializing in building user-friendly UI using Streamlit, create your Streamlit UI for the provided script. Make sure to comment all the code to enhance understanding, particularly for beginners. Choose the most suitable controls for the given script and aim for a professional user-friendly interface. The target audience is beginners who are looking to understand how to create user interfaces with Streamlit. The style of the response should be educational and thorough. Given the instructional nature, comments should be used extensively in the code to provide context and explanations. The output provide an optimized Streamlit UI code segmented by comments, explaining each part of the code for better understanding. And the input is provided the script. You just pasted the script, and this is what it tells you. Okay, so this is the app. I'm going to get back in here and look for map. Just going to look for it here. Review Smart. What are you? Review Smart GPT. All right. I'm not going to edit this. Again, you're going to see it as I'm seeing it. So is this one Maplit's bot? All right. And this is the app. Let's bring it back up just to see it. And we're going to, this has VMV, which is the environment. Going to say VMV script. And you know the drill here. If you've seen my other videos or you've taken my course or training, you should be able to see this. For some reason it's taking forever. Okay, my apologies. Let's see, VMV. Actually, I need to create it. Python, that's VMV. So that is to create your virtual environment. Then we're going to do VMV. Script, activate. Yeah, it wasn't taking it because I didn't have the environment. You can see that here. It created it here. This env, that actually contains a private key. So I won't be able to show it here because that you will have to get your own for Google Maps. But, you know, I'm just going to show you how it works. And then I'll say Streamlit that run. That py. Let's see. Stream that run that py. All right, this is the beauty. Okay, so this is a business search application. It's like a scraper. This could be for anyone that is looking to scrape Google Maps to sell a service, right? In this case, could be consultants, digital marketers, lead generators, anything like that. So I'm just going to select the business, let's say roofing company. Oops. Roofing company in Tampa. Let's put the FL. This is the Google Maps API key. I can actually add the instructions in the video itself. Actually, yeah, in the community, once I add it to the community, on the apps repos, to show you where it would go. So I have here app repos, and I'm actually adding the code for each of the apps that I've been building and publishing. So if you go back to this, you can say, search radius. You can actually do the minimum rating. You can do maximum pricing level, open now. You would be able to paste your API key here. You click search. And once you click search, it will give you the results. Okay. So this is the results. I just want to clean this up a little bit, and I want to tell it, hey, the search results table, I want full width search for the search result table, right? So again, these are pretty basic instructions, but I want to do it with you on the line. That way, in case you have no idea how to change it, or if you just want to practice, you're going to say, hello, could you please update results table to be full width? Okay. Let's see what it does. Well, oh my God. I messed it up. I put it on the wrong chat. No worries. I'm just going to close these out and then go here, say hello. Hello. Would you please increase the width of the results table to full width? Let's see what it does. Okay. And sometimes it gives you just a section of what you want, but you want the whole file. Please write the complete file with the updates. That's fine. Let's go. It's a lot of code. All right. So just give me a second here. All right. So I'm just going to copy, paste. I'm going to come here to the application. I'm going to refresh. Roofing companies, Tampa, Florida. Search. That's it. So as you can see, you have a list of all the businesses within the maps. You have the category, the rating, you have the address, the website, the phone number. Pricing level is probably not relevant. And you have the capability to export to CSV. Download CSV. Okay. Let's see what it gives us. And that's it. So this, if you're, I don't know, if you're prospecting, let's say, to businesses in the area, now you have all the information. You can actually input this into a CRM. You can have dialers kind of call people, cold call, and, try to sell them a service or start building relationships or kind of start warming them up to be able to do, whatever you need to do for your business. Okay. Again, this is a small project for you to be able to just test things around, see the capabilities of what you can build. I hope this is useful. I hope that, this actually opens up your mind to build other things or gives you more ideas to build other things. And that should do it. So let's 1 second here. I'm going to clean this up a bit. So I need to clean this up and then I will commit the code, add it to the app report section in the course. That way, or in the community, that way you can actually access to it and make things happen. All right. You can extend it, tweak it, do whatever you need to do. And that should do it. All right. Hope this was helpful. Talk to you soon. Take care. See you in the next video.